Oh, isn't it amazing how much better you look in the sun?
Yeah, does it look good?
Yeah, it looks really good. Come here, you'll like it. It's good selfie lighting. This is my outfit of the day in February.
Okay, Suella. Hi.
Wait, stand in the light. Stand here.
I'll be awkward because I've got no makeup on.
Hello.
It's a very sunny day. We've had Salford's turned tropical in the last
few days.
It's unreal. What have we been doing? Enjoying the sun. I've had uni Monday till yesterday. We've both got a day off today. And we're gonna go venture into Salfordian.
Just because we want to buy some ice lolly.
I vlogged as well with Roxanne and the other day, so I'll pop them in as well.
Back to the vlog now. We've come for a little tour around Media City. Ooh, okay.
Ooh!
So we've came for a little wander. We've came to ITV in Corrie because Kirsty's quite the Corrie. I'm Corrie's biggest fan.
You are, aren't you?
Yeah. The plan is we're just going to make the most of this sun in Salford because it's really rare. In around
Ooh, I see. Oh, okay, okay. I see it. Oh, get it. Didn't really have much to say, but it's just we've just been enjoying the sun really. But then we thought today we'd bring out the vlogging camera.
Hi, I look horrendous. We are here with the beautiful Esme.
And we're doing the shop show and Molly's here as well.
Back again.
I feel like I'm your cameraman today.
You are, you've been taking lots of videos. We're in a bit earlier because there's no one in the studio because Lucy, who does the show before me, isn't here.
Go on.
Hello and welcome back. Oh, Jack, you're in the back.
It's so dark.
Yeah. Harrison, introduce yourself.
Hi.
Hiya.
But I don't know where to look.
So you can look in there, or you can look up at the thing as well.
Yeah, but if you look there, you look.
Then it makes it look like you're looking up.
I remember my first vlog.
Bonner's here. Harrison's here.
I'm dead at this. Look at my yellow teeth. Don't she look lovely?
Hi. Oh, you look like an angel.
She lovely?
Why is my hair stuck to my head? Kirst, what you got to say, Owen?
Hello to the fans.
Oh, go on then. Okay, there he is. Yay!
Yeah, tonight we're going to Hot Mess, which we may as well buy shares in Hot Mess. Make it.
Molly's coming as well, but she's getting ready.
Molly's coming, but she's glamming herself.
She's glamming herself.
I think this is the call of this channel.
Yeah, it's going to be more loose.
This is a Kirsty takeover. Sorry, I'm just a natural at this.
How white I look compared to you lot.
Yeah, but it's just because we're orange.
It's a bit of Bondi, darling.
You look incredible. Your hair looks spliffy as well.
Thank you. Right, let's set this
Set
up.
her up.
Right.
Set her up and talk into her.
Right, basically, I'm going to review this Alpha. Oh,
Right, do a
cheek
big
test.
kiss. Someone's getting rowdy tonight.
I thought you were going to edit parts of this out.
No.
Is it a one take
stay
one
there.
job?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Why am I grabbing this thinking I'm a beauty guru?
You'll be going like this next. You'll be like.
But I have a double chain. Ugh.
What are you doing?
I hate this. I always thought I'd be a YouTuber, but I'm not anymore. Wait! Why don't you caption it like 3 beautiful girls and an ugly boy?
One more.
That was good.
That was better. So a rose between 3 4.
Yes! Ah.
Woo! Making my debut.
No, please like, subscribe and comment.
Woo! Take it over.
We'll take it.
Wow, 7 minutes. You've been going.
We are.
Bye.
Imagine if we Pan back at was in like Marbella.
What's in Mom?
How do I turn it on? Turn it on. Please keep this in, it's funny.
100 grams of plain flour, 2 large eggs, 100 millilitres of milk and some oil. It's all we need to make 12 pancakes.
Put oil in it.
In the pan.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Today it's Pancake Day, so me and Molly are gonna try and make some pancakes.
300 millilitres of milk.
Oh my god, look how much milk it is. How many pancakes does it make?
12 apparently.
12?
Yeah.
Thick ones?
Yeah. No, thin ones.
Oh. We're in for
Because you need...
Oh, they're cold.
Did you just get the shell in it, Lucy?
No, I one hand.
How are we going to measure out the flour?
We don't own scales. How bad's that? Who owns scales though?
Student issues.
Who actually owns
Do we just give it a good guess, do you reckon?
Yeah.
Use some of it. So.
Are we on a bit of a comp?
You
I hate myself. This is why I shouldn't be allowed to like just touch anything in the kitchen.
Oh, Lucy, it's like spreading.
I know.
I know.
It's so full. That was fresh water.
I'm just guessing how much 100 millilitres is. 100 grams, I mean. Right, Lucy, I want to start whisking.
Whee!
You got river down here.
Go on, Molly. Give it a good whisk-go. Knew this whisk would come in handy some point. Go on, girl. Give it a good going.
I think I just saw a bit of shell in there.
Oh, lovely.
And he's going to have a crunchy pancake. Yeah, there is a bit of shell there.
Mmm. It just adds to the texture.
No, it doesn't.
This is actually going to give us the fluffiest pancakes in the world. I could kill you right now.
It's gonna come off the side.
This is why I shouldn't be allowed to cook.
We just
I
start
wanna
again.
cry, no. I'm gonna have to start again because I'm not eating it off the kitchen side.
It was fine until you started whisking. Do you even need whisking? I'm just being nice.
Take two. Molly's back. I'm not allowed to judge the pancakes this time round. She was apprehensive the first time, but now it's just I blew it. So we can't decide what to have on our pancakes. I'm thinking a cheeky lemon and sugar combo.
Do you reckon we need more flour in that? See?
It's burning.
Yeah, it's the frying pan. Because all that black stuff on the bottom. Windows.
Getting ready for takeoff, boys. Okay, get the pancake in the pan.
You ready?
No, I don't know if I am ready.
Sometimes you do it with a ladle. That helps. And
Oh, should we? Have we got a ladle? Ooh. Who wants an oily pancake? It's a nice circular shape, at least.
it's not very big.
Yay! This is our first attempt. We've upgraded to a nicer pan.
Thanks, Emma.
Thanks, Emma. You're an angel. Ooh. Pour it in, gal. Ooh. Wow, that's what we're talking about. It's the same at home though. It used to take me like a few times to like get it right. This looks sexy. Go on, take it away.
It's too sticky.
And again. Hey! Yay! I'm not even gonna try and do it, so I'll just end up on the floor. Voila.
So we had a progression of pancakes. It went from that to that one, which looked a
This
bit
one's
anemic.
quite nice.
Quite nice. Now to this one.
I give this a solid 8 out of 10.
See, look. I'm being very generous with my best pancake after she's already spilt 2 things. Oh! She only went and did it.
That's all you're getting because I don't think it was god, this sells yourself. Wow! Wow! Okay. It's a little bit like an omelette, but it's alright. Okay.
We're getting good at this.
We're getting quite the pro at pancakes. If you need any pancakes, just hit me money up. You know where we're at.
We promised we weren't making that.
Yeah, promise I won't make it.